Welcome to the first day of college/orientation vlog. I had just arrived in Delhi from my home and I had to shift to the PG the very same day, so it was very hectic for me. And it was raining, and I was playing Taylor Swift songs from Evermore album in the car ride, and it was wholesome. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's 10:50 and I've reached my PG room. Now it's time to get ready because it's the first day of my college and I'm so excited for everything. So let me just go and get ready, then I'll give you guys all the details and what is going to happen basically on the first day. So let's go. I can't control my emotions. Firstly, I had to open up my suitcases and find my first day ka outfit from them. I had already decided my outfit priorly because I knew कि मुझे बहुत confusion होगा, and in all the rush I'll forget to put the pieces together and form a decent outfit. So I'd already picked out my outfit before-handedly and I just had to wear it on, do my makeup, wash my face, and I was looking for some reason very drained out on this particular day. Maybe it was due to the car journey, or maybe it was due to the distance, or maybe it was just stress that was heaving upon me. But either ways, I was a little down and I did my makeup. My makeup was very basic and it didn't look like makeup that day. Makeup wasn't makeuping at all, but I did apply some lipstick, some amount of foundation, and that is how I was looking in this black striped top and skirt. So I got ready and now I'm finally leaving from college. It's almost 11:20 and I can't afford to get late today because it's first day of college. The way to LSR is decked up with buildings, traffic, and people rushing to their workstations. And the rain made it very cozy, very vibey. I can't thank enough the gods for giving me rain on my first day. After listening to Taylor Swift continuously in the rain, I finally made it to my college. There were parents waiting outside trying to drop off their girls and getting back, and there was a lot of traffic on the road. I got into the college through my entry ticket, the acknowledgement slip and whatever that is, and I had the first ever glimpse of the famous iconic LSR logo that everybody raves about, and it's worth the hype. I was looking at everything with starry eyes and I was, living in the moment. I had a lot of fun. Then we had our orientation. They'd also made this floral rangoli for us just to, make the campus look even more beautiful. The orientation experience wasn't that great because they made us sit on the floor as they didn't have the adequate capacity to fit in all the freshers. I don't mind that actually. I mean, I can do that much for my dream college, and I think the seating arrangement didn't really matter when we had speakers who had went to Harvard, Oxford, and they were talking about the hustle culture at LSR. They were talking about how great it is to be here. They were talking about the brilliance of the people. They were talking about magic of LSR, and everything was so enchanting. I mean, barely anyone would care about the seating arrangement or where they are sitting, when the speakers are this amazing and they are this inspirational, this motivational, it just filled me with an unknown energy, and I think I felt really motivated in that moment. Just for your information, this is our college music band, Dhwani. They performed the college song for us, and everybody was enjoying. It was a harmonious moment, and people were singing along. Some didn't know the song, of course, freshers didn't know, so it was that. Then our principal came to the stage. She lit the lamp to inaugurate the moment, and she then gave us a very inspirational and phenomenal speech, which we all listened to. Also, the head of student union gave a speech. So it was speeches. Then the college orientation finally began. They gave us a little introduction about what life at LSR would look like for us, but there will be separate orientations for the societies or the conferences or the departments. After this college orientation, we had our departmental orientation, for which we had to head to our respective departments. For me, it was psychology. On our way back, people were clicking pictures, clicking videos, and I did that too because I'm just a girl. Then I also saw a glimpse of canteen. I didn't buy anything, but yeah, this was the canteen. I plan to go here someday. Then we also got these refreshments. The refreshments were, I think, fairly good. We weren't even expecting them. And then our final departmental orientation took place. We have 10 professors in our faculty, and the seniors did the whole oration and the anchoring part. They called on the professors, and the professors gave their respective speech. They talked about what they specialize in, and it was a very enlightening scenario. We got to know about what our department does exactly and what would life as a psych major look like. I also took some notes because it's really necessary. And one best thing is that library is just next to our department, so I also took a detour of the library. And the library, oh my god, I am in love. Even before going there, I knew that library would be one of my favorite places, and it already has stolen my heart. I was looking at the titles. I went upstairs to the psychology department where the psychology books are kept, and I was awestruck by looking at the titles, and there is enormous amount of resources. I can't wait to sit down here, read the books that talk about different theories, different psychologies, and delve into all those things. I also walked around campus for a while just to get the hang of it, and that was it for my day. But before heading out, of course, we had to click some pictures and videos. I met a lot of people, and then, we just exchanged our Instagram IDs, and this one girl helped me click really amazing videos and pictures. And this is one video. The rain is pouring down, and this is a beautiful picture with the LSR building behind me in the wallpaper. And you can see girls posing around, and it was so beautiful. I think everybody was looking stylish, elegant, and the weather made it very, very amazing on the surface of it. And I think I was just enchanted by the magic over there. I was having a great time, though I did had a little breakdown after coming back from college, but I think that was just because it was overwhelming. We met great people, and everybody is doing one thing or the other. Nobody's just idle, and I think in the upcoming vlogs you will see more beauty of LSR. Got done with college. It was a normal day, not very normal, but I felt nice, I felt okay, and now I'm finally leaving to go to my PG. It's a long walk, but I think I can manage that. Let's go. So I just met Pari here. She knows me, and I'm feeling so special. Okay, we both are shy, but it was a very good moment. Thank you for recognizing me, and thank you for... Are you subscribed to me? Yes, she has subscribed to me, so thank you for that. Then I headed back to my PG, and at night we had a little birthday celebration.
plus sports, 6,000 plus
That
projects.
is all that happened on the first day of college. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like watching my videos, and a lot more content will be coming up. Also, tell me if you want weekly vlogs or daily vlogs, what would you guys like to see? Because I think I'm having a little trouble filming one day vlogs, as I can't post more than 5 minutes ki clip and I really want to post more. So do tell me that in comment section below. Okay, bye.